Good morning. My name is Zakaria Ansori. My NPM is 101219147 from class G3 Management. On this happy occasion, I want to deliver a speech about education. As we know, education plays an important role for the progress of a nation. If the education of the people is left behind, then the population will experience difficulties in adapting and facing pressure from the outside world. Therefore, it is not surprising that the government holds many programs to support the progress of education in Indonesia, one of which is by allocating large amounts of funds so the dropout rate can be reduced and more students can get the right to education. Actually, education can not only be obtained at school. Even outside of school, we can use technology to access education, take advantage of an online platform that can be accessed for free to get free knowledge from various parts of the world, so that we can compete with the people out there. Developed countries are also very concerned about the quality of the education of their people, so it's not surprising that the quality of campus abroad is quite good. Even many Indonesians decide to gain knowledge out there. Thus, we must learn to be able to catch up, especially as we have not yet had the opportunity to distribute education.
Thank you.